Welcome to the Review Network. Today we're looking at law assignment help and what makes a reliable service worth your attention. If you're wrestling with a law assignment and searching for law assignment help, you've come to the right place. Let me walk you through how a top service does it and what you should demand when hiring one. You send your assignment brief, and the service matches you with a UK qualified legal expert who has the credentials for your task. UKEssays was founded in Nottingham in 2003, and they claim to be the original law assignment service. Their claim is over 20 years of support for students at undergraduate, postgraduate, and professional training levels. The legal team includes people with LLB, LLM, LPC, BPTC, and GDL degrees, as well as practicing solicitors, barristers, and former law lecturers. You won't just get a generic writer, you get someone whose background matches your subject. They handle essays, problem questions, case notes, legal opinions, moots, drafting, dissertations, statutory interpretation, advocacy, portfolios, and exam guides. Every submission is reviewed by an academic quality team to ensure it meets your instructions. They offer a final grade guarantee. If the work doesn't meet the standard you asked for, you get a full refund. They also guarantee plagiarism-free original work and include a full plagiarism and AI report with every order. As social proof, they cite a 4.4 out of 5 average across around 1,858 verified customers on reviews.io. They say they have served more than 25,000 students. Pricing starts from £99 for around a 1,000-word undergraduate assignment at a 2-2 level with a 7-day deadline. Let me highlight the writers, because that's where much of the value lies. They claim over 500 writers each, a subject specialist. You can even request a specific writer ID. Writer 26327 has an LLB and specializes in medical law and ethics, delivering hundreds of model assignments. Writer 27373 holds an LLB, LLM in international corporate and commercial law, plus BPTC. Writer 27065 studied at Cambridge with additional specialization in intellectual property law. Writer 145 has more than 23 years as a professional writer and lawyer with deep litigation experience. Writer 29647 holds a PhD in law and an LLM from the London School of Economics and lectures in comparative and financial law. Writer 22661 was a solicitor with a master's in bioethics and medical law and focuses on comparative, corporate, and medical law subjects. Those profiles show they are selling credibility, specialization, and internal verification. Now, think about the range of law assignments they cover. This includes law essays across public, private, and commercial law, problem questions using structured methods like IRAC and ILAC, case notes and commentaries that go beyond summary into critique, statutory and legislative analysis, mooting submissions such as skeleton arguments, document drafting like contracts, wills, and pleadings, legal opinions for client advice, dissertations and research projects, oral or advocacy submissions for court or simulations, reflective logs, skills-based drafting exercises such as clauses or motions, group work, exam revision guides, and portfolios. For each, they promise structure, depth, tailored reasoning, proper referencing often in OSCOLA, and alignment with academic standards. They also make available free resources such as sample essays, lecture notes, referencing tools, and guides like how to use the IRAC method or how to approach advocacy. These are free to help students learn and gauge quality before ordering. The benefits are clear. You get subject specialization and matching with genuine legal qualifications. You get quality review and editorial oversight. You get originality with plagiarism and AI detection reports. You get a grade guarantee or a refund. You see transparent writer profiles with background info before hiring. You get coverage across almost every format of law assignment. You get alignment with academic standards and referencing. You get on-time delivery. You get free samples to benchmark. And you get direct communication and secure payment systems. It is important to note caveats. Even a strong guarantee does not automatically prove consistency, so you should always check sample work and reviews. Some services limit how many revisions you can request, so always check those terms. You should also make sure the service is aware of your institution's academic integrity rules, so your use does not violate policies. Remember that very low fees often signal under qualified writers or rushed work. When you use law assignment help, you should treat your ordered work as a learning tool, not a wholesale submission. Analyze the structure, arguments, references, and reasoning. Use it to train your own style. A good service gives you more than text. They give you a model. In summary, a proper law assignment help service will match your brief to a legally qualified writer, offer rigorous editorial review, guarantee originality and grades, provide full transparency into writer credentials, and support almost any kind of law assignment from essays to moot scripts, drafting, opinions, dissertations, portfolios, reflections, and revision guides. Free sample resources give you benchmarks. The goal is not merely to get it done, but to elevate your understanding of legal writing and argumentation. This has been a closer look from the Review Network. If you found this useful, stay tuned for more independent reviews that cut through the noise and show you what really matters.